Welcome back to ClearTask. If you need to sign a document, highlight text, or sketch an idea directly in Microsoft Word, you might notice the Draw tab is missing from your top menu. It is actually a built-in feature. It just needs to be unhidden. Let's get it enabled. Open up any Microsoft Word document. Go to the top left corner and click on File. From that menu, look down at the very bottom left and select Options. A new window will open up. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Customize Ribbon. This section lets you control exactly what tabs appear at the top of your workspace. Now shift your attention to the right side of that window. Under the Customize the Ribbon column, make sure the drop-down menu is set to Main Tabs. Scroll down that list until you spot the word Draw. It will have an empty checkbox right next to it. Go ahead and click to check that box. To save your changes, simply click OK at the bottom right of the window. When you return to your document, the Draw tab will be right there in your ribbon, fully equipped with pens, highlighters, and drawing tools. If you ever want to hide it again, just repeat this exact process and uncheck the box. If this quick tip helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more direct, easy to follow tutorials. See you next time.